EB4, employment-based category EB4. In this video, we are going to talk about EB4. And we are going to really give you the foundation when it comes to who's actually qualified under EB4. Please watch until the end because you might be surprised as far as who's actually qualified under EB4 category. My name is Bijoux Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration laws. If you're new to my channel, please you can go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoy the content, you can go ahead and please share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Also, please don't forget to join us on our private Facebook group where we answer questions live at least twice a month. Let's get right into it. EB4, employment-based category. This is really good. I have to tell you this one because this does not require labor certification. This one only requires employer and the job offer. Okay, so let's get right into it. And some of them doesn't even require a job offer. Some of when we talk about some individuals under this category, but let's just get right into it. We have religious workers. What form basically we're using? We're using the form I-360. Okay, when it comes to religious worker, we're using the form I-360. And we know religious worker, we've talked about it before in this on this channel, where we've talked about religious workers, really employment based on your church or whatever institution, religious institution that you attend or try to sponsor you. We've talked about it really in a lot of details. But I'm just going to give you a brief summary. When it comes to religious workers, we have people as minister, really those who work as a vocation, and we have people who work under a professional capacity. For people who work under the professional capacity, the most important thing to remember is that you have to have at least a bachelor degree, okay, some type of education, and really work in that professional capacity based on your education. Okay, so that's what I can say for religious workers. And then we have ministers like pastors, imam, monk, whatever you name them. At least 2 years of membership required, and then the position and the ability to pay. The employer has to show the ability to pay, basically the church, whether it's monetary or in terms of money or in terms of other resources. Just please visit my previous videos when it comes to religious workers. Okay, then we have special immigrant juveniles. Those are people who came to the US. Those are young. First of all, they came to the US and then got abandoned by their parents, and then pretty much once the court determined that those are abandoned children, they can go ahead and apply for a green card under special immigrant juveniles, and that it doesn't require employer offer, job offer, or labor certification, you see. So then we have certain broadcasters. Okay, then we have G4 International Organization. When it comes to G4 International Organization, what you have to show is that you cannot go back home based on persecution. Then you can apply the green card on your own. Okay, then we have certain employees of the US government who are abroad and their family members. Then we have members of the US Armed Forces. Then we have Panama Canal company's own government employees, certain physicians, licensed and practicing medicine in a US state as of January 9, 1978. Then we have Afghan or Iraqi translators. We have Iraqis who were employed by or on behalf of the US government. Then we have Afghans who were employed by the US government or international security assistance force. Those are for EB4, right? And then the family member, spouses and unmarried children under the age of 21 to be admitted to the United States as well. So this is EB4, right? Category. We have a lot of individuals that may qualify under this category. Most importantly, you have to know if you need a job offer or not. Certain individuals under this category do not need job offer. They just have the right to apply based on their specific category, under their specific category, you know. For example, special immigrant juvenile, because they're young, they don't need a job offer, but they just have to meet the requirements. And you can refer back to my previous video because I've talked about it before. Then we have certain broadcasters. Then we have G4, International Organization, or NATO 6 civilian employees, you know. So it just depends who needs the job offer for the employer and who doesn't, in order for you to really know based on the type of individuals that I have listed. You can talk to me, email me, call my office to 2751-2180, email bijoux.ngwanda@gmail.com. You can also consult, schedule your own consultation by clicking the link in the description box. I'm gonna leave it, so we can talk about your case, right? You can just know based on what I've just cited here. I'm going with the USCIS website. That's why I'm looking around, because I'm just looking on my screen. So that's basically what we can do for you when it comes to EB4. And those are the type of categories that not a lot of people qualify. But if you really meet the requirement, then you can get your green card easily. Okay. So that's it for today. Until next time. Bye bye.